Today we are going to explore a fascinating topic: the before and after of fashion trends around the world. Part 1. Fashion in the Past Antiquity. Ancient Egypt. Clothing was simple and practical, made of linen. Pharaohs and the nobility wore more elaborate outfits and jewellery. Greece and Rome. Garments were mainly tunics and togas, symbolising social status. Simplicity and elegance were key. Middle Ages. Fashion was marked by social class. Nobles wore rich and adorned fabrics, while peasants dressed in more rustic clothing. 19th century. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes, making fashion more accessible. Part 2. Contemporary fashion, 120th century. Flapper fashion, with short and loose dresses, symbolises female liberation. Excess and extravagance, with neon colours and bold styles. Late 20th century and early 21st century. Globalisation and the internet revolutionise fashion. The influence of celebrities and social media on trends. Part 3. Current and future trends. Technology and inclusivity mass customization. Thanks to technology. Integration of fashion with wearable technology. Fashion for all sizes, ages, and genders. Conclusion. Fashion is a living reflection of our society, showing how we change and evolve over time. Thank you